Yes, guys. Welcome back to the channel. As usual, my name is Mpirwe Julius Official. That is my YouTube channel. So right now we are in Acholi quarters. So we want to take a tour around here, this slum here. I've moved with my friend Onach Patrick. He's also a YouTuber. He will be introducing himself. So we want to check around this Acholi quarters here. You can see here. So we want to take you inside there and we tour that place and you see how it looks like, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Sorry to cut you shortly. So I was explaining here. Do you know this place well?
No, this is my first time to be in this place. My first time, but I need to hear it is Acholi quarters. So when you called me, I said let me join you to come and take you around here.
So I just want to explain briefly to you before I take you inside here. I want you to understand this place very well. So this place is called Acholi Quarter because you know in northern Uganda there was war between 1986 and between 1986 up to 2006. We had the LRA war, Lord Resistance, led by Honorable His Excellency. He called himself His Excellency, Joseph Kony. So this guy has been fighting the government of Museveni and the government of Museveni mostly, what I remember. During those years of 1986 up to 2006, that's when people started stabilizing. This war was in northern Uganda, mostly like in Gulu. We had Gulu, Kitgum and Lira. Those are the main countries which were affected by what LRA in northern Uganda. So during those days, those people had to flee and come to Kampala here to come and settle in this place. They were given this land here by the government. They settled there. Most of them settled there. And up to now, when you check this place very well, this one I'm showing you, called Acholi Quarter, it is full of Acholis and Landis. Though they are mixed with Bagandas and other tribes, that one is not the case, but it's called Acholi Quarter. So this is a poverty-struck community. Yes, it is a poverty-struck community, and it is a slum area in Kampala here. Most of the people here survive on business and the rock quarrying. So if there was time, if we had enough time, I was going to take you up the hill there. That hill you see, where there's that mast. That's a telecommunication mast. I was going to take you there and show you how people are doing quarrying as their economic activity to survive here. They sell those stones people use for constructing houses and so on. So this is why the place is called Acholi Quarter. So let's move and we see the slum areas of this place and the high population at the place. You see how people have constructed. Yes.
So let's take you around, guys.
How are you?
Let's see.
You want to talk? Can I ask you some questions?
So guys, this is it.
Yes, you understand the slum.
Look how this place is. So I want to show you around this place, Acholi Quarters. So guys, want to take you around this place, Acholi Quarters.
So thank you so much for highlighting us about
so that is
we are trying to
Onach.
see how this place is, the type of life, how people stay here. Challenge people first of all. What's challenge? Floods. There's too much floods. So Julius, this
Yeah.
place people they face a lot of challenges such as flood.
Floods.
There's too much flood in this area when it rains.
Okay.
Yes. So like the water enters in the house.
Enter
Like
there.
those ones down, you see.
But see down here, it's a valley. See, yeah.
When it rains, the water collects itself from up the hill, and it takes advantage of this place being what?
Being a valley here.
It's like a valley. So it uses that route. So there are people who have constructed there. It goes and what enters in their house.
The houses. And because of a lot of houses, they collect a lot of water.
So thank you so much. Let's go.
Let's take you around here. That's it, guys. Let's take you around, guys, here around the Choli quarters. One of the most congested slum here in Kampala, Uganda. Is it Chireka side or?
Yeah,
The Chireka. Okay.
Between Chireka and Tinawataka.
Chireka and Tinawataka.
So, yeah.
Yep, guys. Let's show you around here. We are showing them what they don't see
Guys,
on
if it's
TV.
your first time, please kindly subscribe, like, share this video. And
Yeah, so we are in this slum. We are showing you what people don't show you on TV.
Too much.
You see a lot of congested houses. You can see a lot of houses here. Congestion here.
So, enjoy the video.
So this is it, guys. Actually, quarters. Yeah.
Take care of the road.
I'm saying from my side.
So there's too much population in this place. Guys.
Yeah, too much population, as you can see.
And you cannot avoid that. You can't avoid it. You can't avoid it. Human being.
The people staying within this place, they are people from my church.
Most of them.
Okay.
Most of them. They're so ruthless.
Look at this, guys. So, guys, welcome to Acholi quarters, which is in Chireka. So this is how the place looks like here, as you can see it. Here, lot of population. As you have heard, that people, most people who are staying here, they are from Acholi. That's why they call it Acholi quarters. So most Acholi people stay. Around, as you can see, most of them here. So that's it, how the place look like here. So the other hill. Yo.
I wanted a shortcut from this side. Let's go.
Okay, continue. Sure.
But the challenge is secondary schools. Secondary schools. There are not many secondary schools in this place, but the lower ones, the kindergarten, nursery, primaries, they are there. Only secondary schools. Hard to find in this place.
Okay.
So people have to move like Chirekas, the so-called Chirekas. There's also another school this side of Chirekas down. Yes,
But I
and
think
maybe other
it's not
schools.
far. It's not very far compared to some villages who can move like
But at least,
long distances.
they are having some secondary schools here. is also good for those ones who cannot afford. You know, if there's a school here, at least can be at what? Cheaper. The fees can be somehow cheaper. Compared to those ones where it's far from this place. So maybe me to my request is if at least government can favor this city also. Only like there's no land now.
There's no land because you see the land is occupied. It's congested here.
My battery is one.
So this is it the primary or what? No, it's
the other one which we passed, that one is a nursery and a primary school.
Okay.
That's a nursery and primary school.
So we take down here.
Yes. So we shall go straight. Okay. There's a market in front there. They have a market here.
So the market is called what?
We shall bypass here in front there. Yes.
Very fast taxis. So let's continue. So this is it, guys. We are in Acholi quarters. Acholi quarters. It is in Chileka side. So this is how it is a slum area. As you can see, a lot of people just settled here. Don't forget some prices. Let's keep moving. So let's rush and reach on Nachi in front there. Look at this, guys, here. This is a market. A lot of, see, it's one of the cheapest markets.
So Julius, this is the community market I was telling you about. This is community market.
As you can
Things
see,
are somehow cheap,
yeah, somehow cheap.
compared to others. Because most of people they come and buy from here, and also the other one in Akawa.
Okay.
Yes, they come and buy from here, they go and sell to other
Are
places.
okay, they bring cars to come and offload from here then?
Yes.
Okay.
You see, they bring like from up countries, such as you see, like if you have like banana here, there are those ones who supply. Suppliers, they are from this side of Mbarara, Masaka, and so on. They come and supply. That's how they do it.
Okay.
That's how it is done. And also the same thing applies to the cassava. You see, like here, banana is just 12 for 1,000.
For 1,000.
Yes, 12 for 1,000. Then we are 3
Yeah,
at
3
200.
for 200.
We compare to where we are. The other side they put again like 7, 1,000.
You know where I'm staying there in Tinda? They sell for 1,000. Now we are saying.
So those guys who sell, they are trying to also have to make profit. So that's how people are creating what? Jobs. Yes. That's how people are finding themselves what? Creating jobs through those businesses.
Okay.
Hey.
This
That's my prayer which I told you.
what?
My prayer that I told you, I just pray that government, I'm not requesting the government through this platform because that's not my work. Even they will not understand. Just my prayer is good. They should put here what? Schools and hospitals. It's hard to get to hospital here, community hospital, and the school, which belongs to government.
But I think there are some primaries which are for the government, isn't it? They are not there here.
No. No. Now an example which I can give is during evening you will see students coming from Luzira SS. Using their food.
But it depends on the. I think there are some schools here But the okay,
For
the quality.
secondary, I'm meaning secondary.
Second,
Yes, they go to secondary. They do zero SS for government school. You see them in the evening. If they use their food. They use their food.
Okay.
To move from here to go and look for school there. See how hard it is.
It's hard, man.
Very hard.
Okay.
So that.
Oh. But
So
what?
this place here, there is always a market here every Friday.
Every Friday.
Things are cheap.
They say from here on the street. But what I know about slums, there are a lot of those small businesses. They can work. They work better. You see, everyone is good at his work. See, mattresses shop there. So you see, those are the boutiques here in this slum. Look at this. Acholi quarters. Yeah.
Goes up to Chireka by now.
Which one? This one?
It is covered. It goes to some parts in Chireka.
Cover some parts in here.
Yes.
Okay. You can see here, guys. This is it. Look at these places how I appreciate how they are. Lot of businesses here. This is it. You can see.
So guys, they are asking me what I'm capturing. Song. This song.
So Onas, which side? So we are from here. This one is from. It goes where?
The same. The place just.
Same. Let's just rotate.
Just.
Okay. Let's go in there.
I respect where their songs are too much sound. You see, like for me, there is a song which be careful of these international music.
Okay.
Be careful, they are so sensitive. You cannot even their shots. There are some people who don't allow you to use their shots.
Okay.
So like for me, there is a video. I just use like 1 minute of it. 1 minute. I uploaded. I did not use it. In fact, I just passed by somewhere. It recorded accidentally. So after uploading the music, you cannot monetize your video.
So they put a copyright on it.
No, they did not. It is automatical in their system. You cannot monetize it. You can't make money using their song or what.
Okay.
Yeah. So
So guys, this is how the place looks like. There is there's a school they are going to school here. Somewhere here. Yeah. So this is it how Acholi looks, Acholi quarters. This is how it looks like then here. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video guys also. So and if you are staying around here in Acholi quarters, you can tell us more about it in the comment section. Yeah, and tell us about this place here. Wow. Yo guys, this is it.
Kataze kureba abana.
This is how it's supposed to look like, man.
Still on phone?
Let me first call this guy there. Hey bro. Hello. Hey, assalamu alaikum. Jari ba. So, Arnaz is, I think you know this place better. Nach, have you ever stayed, you were staying in this place?
No, I have not stayed in this place. No, staying in Kampala for some good time.
Oh.
I've not stayed permanent, but I've been on and off. Sometimes I travel.
Okay.
I come to this place.
Oh.
The main place where I stayed, I first stayed in Tireka. I did not finish like even 1 week.
Oh.
Then I had to move to Bugolo.
Okay.
Yes, Bugolo. After Bugolo, I'm now in Luzira.
Zira.
So in Luzira also, there's a place called the Pandapier.
Pandapier.
Pandapier is also one of the slum areas.
Okay.
One of the slum areas. So the other place where I stayed is up here. It was around 220. It was around 221.
221.
221 or 20. When did we have COVID?
It was 2020 and 221, I think.
Yes, around 220. So when I was staying in this place called Pandapia, it's just around the shores.
Lake Victoria.
Yes, it's around there. So you know there was this disaster of water.
I remember
the water level was rising.
Water level went right.
The water level was rising. So I just, to my surprise, at night I just found like water in the house. So I had to left there. Now I'm in a place called Chirombe.
Chirombe.
They are near.
Chirombe. That place I had there are some, so Eritrean or Somalians. That's Chirombe or what?
Chirombe.
Yes.
Okay. They are there, but they are not even men.
They are not men in Chirombe.
I tried to make some video about that place, but did not move on so well.
Oh. Okay. So it goes where? When you take this one? Alright.
It takes me up to
Bina Mutung. Okay.
this one of Luzira. I'm not meaning the other one. We have also another one.
Another Mutung. Yeah, I know that one. Okay. So they dump rubbish.
They dump, even up to the other side we have. They dump rubbish. Which is not good, eh?
Okay.
To me, these things are supposed what? They are supposed to get the proper place where they
dump.
Dug like what? Very big what?
Okay, like a dump place.
Yes, dumping area. Like the dumping area. And what they ban. Remember that disaster which was in
Chiches.
like this one, if they keep on doing it like that with time.
But does the state council come and collect the rubbish here?
They don't.
They don't, eh? Because
They just
this place has a lot of people. They bring rubbish here.
People up there they bring down.
Okay. And look at the other here. So, I think we started from the other hill, isn't it?
The other one?
Yeah.
No, we went, there's a hill there where we went.
There is a hill that side. Okay.
But you can't see when you are.
No, my phone now is shutting down. I think we end my video here. So, well, guys, subscribe to the channel. Check him out on YouTube.
So guys, don't forget to go and check my channel. share my videos. My name is Bonaparte Joseph.
Yeah, I will put them in the description.
On the description,
Yeah,
just copy
they will
my
check
link
out.
of my channel, put there,
Yes.
as well as yours. I'll do the same.
Okay, man. Subscribe to the channel, comment the channel, guys. See you in the next video next time. Yeah, see you guys.